In this lecture, I guess, or talk, video, whatever it's called, we're going to talk about directories and how to create directories, move around directories, and remove directories. Directories are kind of the equivalent of folders on the Windows machine. You usually see the picture of a folder, but on here, on Linux systems, you'll see generally, like for instance here, games would be a directory. So let's talk about how to use them. First, to create a directory, the command is mkdir, I guess make a directory, is the way to think of it. So mkdir and then the name. So we'll call it stuff. I'm going to do an ls. Now I have a directory called stuff that I didn't have before. So that created it. I guess the simplest way to remove it, if you want to get rid of it quickly, is rmdir stuff. And you can see that the stuff directory is no longer there. But I want it in there, so I'm going to make a directory called stuff. Now, when I type ls, I'm still not in that folder, or that folder isn't open, or I'm not in that directory. The command that we use most often is called cd, change directory. I'm going to change directory into stuff. Notice my prompt changed. Right? Instead of having this little tilde thing, which means your home directory, it now has tilde/stuff, which means that underneath your home directory, we're in the stuff folder. If I do an ls, nothing comes out because there's nothing in here. So the cd command will change it. If I want to go up a directory, I can do cd dot dot. Dot dot is the way of saying the parent directory, move up one directory structure. It's sort of equivalent to that little button, or the little arrow button that points up on the Windows folder. So now, see, I'm back here at my home directory. I can do an ls. And then I can go, for instance, into my stuff directory, and I can make another directory into that, holding area. So now underneath stuff there's something called holding area, and I can change into the holding area. You see that as I go farther down, right, my prompt changes. So if you go real far down, your prompt will look really messy. So that's the basics of directories and changing them.